happy homemakers, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a speed cleaning in my bathroom. I literally have to be somewhere. I have a baby shower at 2 and I need to leave in about 15 minutes. I need to pack up Chloe and change my clothes and go. So that's why I have a full face of makeup before I clean the bathroom. So I'm going to show you my weekly bathroom routine, but trying to get it down to 15 minutes because like I said, I have to go somewhere, but my bathroom desperately needs it. I usually do this on Mondays, but it's now Saturday, so you can imagine how bad the bathroom is right now. And I try really hard not to do housework on Sundays, just to take that day of rest and like spend time with my family and be able to recharge as a mama. So I do want to get it done today. So I'm just going to take you on my bathroom cleaning routine. So the first thing I'm going to do is use my 7th generation toilet bowl cleaner and let it soak in the toilet. After this, I'm going to also spray down the toilet. I like to do this first so that the toilet actually has time to soak, and then I'll scrub it later when I come back to it. And then I'm just going to spray down the toilet with my Method Anti-Bac Vacuum Cleaner. This is new. I'm just trying this out. So I'm just going to spray down the whole toilet. Get back there too. There's so much hair right now because I'm going through postpartum hair loss. It's kind of gross. Okay, so now I'm going to let that all soak and move on to the sink. And then with a clean microfiber cloth, I'm going to clean my mirror with my Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner. These are really great microfiber cloths. I'm going to do the mirror first because this is clean, and then I'll do the sink area afterwards because it won't matter if it's a little dirty after that. Just take off my first card. Spray it down. And I'm not going to do the tub today just because, like I said, I'm in a hurry and I kind of feel like that doesn't get dirty as quickly as the rest of our bathroom does. So I'll just save that for next Monday. And all of these cleaning products I'm using are from Grove Collaborative, and I think they still have the Mrs. Meyer Trio spring campaign going, where if you spend $20 as a new customer on their site, you get the free, and I need to hurry while I'm talking, you get the free Mrs. Meyer Trio, so the all-purpose spray, a hand soap, and a dish soap, plus a really nice hand towel for free. And it's an amazing campaign. I really love this one. I have a video where I talk a little bit more about the ins and outs of the membership, because you also get a free 2 months of free VIP membership. So I'll have a video linked down below where I explain a little bit more about that, and a link if you guys do just want to go jump in and try it, because it's a really amazing deal right now and I love it. I really do like Grove Collaborative. I'm just spraying down my sink with the Mrs. Meyer's Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner, and I really like this one too. I have one of these in my kitchen too, and I always wipe off my counter with it. And I love how the Mrs. Meyer stuff just smells so pretty, not just like cleaning products. So I'm just going to quickly wipe down the sink. I guess it's kind of nice that this sink is so small. My bathroom is really small that I can actually do this in 15 minutes before leaving. And then there's no counter space that I need to clean off. So it is really fast. And usually during my routine, I will sweep the floor and wash the bath mat too, but I did do that earlier this week, so I don't have to do it today. Okay, I think it's been about 5 minutes, but we're making good time. Okay, so I'm just gonna throw this into dirty clothes hamper, which is down here. And stop. This is my verse that I like to have here every morning. Now we can go back to the toilet and clean that. So I don't know if you can see here, this is a basket where I have lots of toilet paper stored up because there's not a lot of storage space in here, but it is full, so I don't have to refill that. That's one of the things that I'll check off my cleaning the bathroom list. So because I like to just wipe down the toilet with tissue paper, which is something my mom and my grandma always do, I just throw it in the toilet and flush it down the drain. So I'm going to just quickly clean my toilet first before I do that, so that I don't have to clean it with lots of toilet paper down there. This is the worst job. What is your least favorite job to do? Mine is definitely cleaning the toilet. And one hack I like to do after I'm done cleaning the toilet I like to let this drip dry like that so you don't put a soaking wet toilet bowl cleaner back into the corner over there. And usually I wear gloves. I just didn't grab my gloves this time because I'm in such a hurry. But I'm just going to wipe down the toilet now. I'll just wash my hands, it'll be fine. And like I said, I'm just gonna throw it in the toilet, and then because the cleaning product is still in there too, so I'll just flush it all at once. So I'm going to a baby shower for a friend today, but I am taking Chloe. Marcus, however, will be with his dad, which is really fun. They're gonna have a good time together. But it's kind of nice for me because now that I have 2 kids, just having one it used to be really stressful going around places with Marcus when he was a newborn, and I just kind of avoided it. But now that's like my break, and going around with one is like no problem at all. It takes a while, but you do get used to it. I think I'm finally getting to that place where I feel comfortable going places with Chloe and Marcus. Even I just touched. I am planning to do a video on that, like getting the confidence to go around with 2 kids, and like just what I do to like help me go places and make it a smooth trip. So I'm going to be asking for questions on my Instagram page. So if you guys are interested in that video and you have some questions for me, follow my Instagram at JustineMarie55, and I'll have it linked down below too so you guys can see it. But I will be posting a picture asking for your questions, and you can comment on that. And I might feature one of your questions in my video. And last thing is to empty this trash can. This gets so full so quickly. Okay, after it's dry, I'll just put it back in the corner there, but we are done with the bathroom. The last thing I want to do is take my Lemon Verbena room fresher. I love Mrs. Meyer stuff. The packaging is cute, but also it just smells so nice. I really like it. But I do have a lot of 7th generation and Method because they are like cheaper as far as all natural products go, and I still really like them because they work so well. And that's it. That took me, I think, right around 15 minutes because it is 1:31 and I want it to be done by 1:30 because now I need to pack Chloe up in the car, change into a nice dress, and head out to the baby shower. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed just a video like this where it's like, I know that it's real life, like me needing to do it quickly, but it really desperately needed to be done. So those are kind of just like the bases I like to cover when I can't really spend a good, you know, half an hour, 45 minutes deep cleaning a room. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did by giving it a thumbs up and writing me a comment down below. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming content. That was a mouthful. And like I said, I think that Grow Collaborative Spring campaign is still active, so make sure you check out the link down below because that Mrs. Meyer's Trio is a really awesome gift that they're giving away, and you only have to spend $20 to get that. And yeah, it's a really great company. I really, really do love them. Anyways, so that's all I have for you for today. I hope you guys are all having a really great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.